Hello guys, welcome again. Today we will be talking about this Brinyte Hl16 Noctua headlamp. First of all, let's check this nice box. There is this belt on it. Just removing it and opening the box. Yes, we have to unscrew the tail so that we can start using our lamp. What else you have in the box is the user's manual, and value added card. Nice. You also get this headband. It's a nice material. You can adjust it for your head. And there is also the magnetic charging cable. See how it attaches? Now, let's talk about the features of HL16. Basically, there are 4 modes besides the strobe mode. And in the high mode, you get 520 lumens. Press once. So this is the high mode. I will also kill my lights. So, high mode, 520 lumens. Press once. Medium mode, 200 lumens. Press once. Low mode, 600 lumens. And moon gives you 5 lumens. This is the lowest mode. When you press and hold, it is on and off. When you press once, you simply change between the modes. There is also the strobe mode, and you need to press the button twice. This is your strobe mode, and it is also 520 lumens. Now, I'll also show you one more thing now that the lights are off. Brinyte claims that this Brinyte written here, it's reflecting the light back, so when you are walking in the night outside or something, this might help you to be seen by other people. So it's a nice feature as well. Okay, you can simply carry this one as an EDC light as well, because it's really small and effective. And there is this pocket clip. You can remove it if you would like. You can simply put it on your table and use the light as you need it. thanks to this Adjustability Fetcher. It might be really useful in the camp or when you are outdoors, whatever. There is also one feature. This part is claimed to be magnetic, and I'll test it. With my tactical knife, you see. Really nice feature in case you need to put it on some metals. Real nice. There is another Brinyte product I have, which is the tactical flashlight PD18 Pro Oathkeeper I have, and I just would like to compare their sizes just to show you. You see, this is a big guy, big tactical flashlight, and this is a smaller EDC light. You can carry it even on your pocket in case you don't want to use it as a headlamp. You can see the sizes comparison. As for the design, the main color is black, as you can see, and there are some blue touches in 2 points, but they are really effective. Also, this finishing in the head and in the tail, it kind of feels like a diamond or something, I don't know, but real nice design. Also on this button there is the shape. Nice product. Okay guys, so basically I have placed the HL16 on the headband, as you can see here, and normally I think you need to remove this clip just to place it in a more comfortable way, but I don't want to remove the clip, so I will keep both of them for now. When you are using it like this, the button stays under the clip, but that's fine, you can just press it and it's functioning perfectly. You can adjust the head here 90 degrees, and when it is on your head it should look like this. And as I said before, this Brinyte here, it's reflective, so it can help you be seen by others in the darkness when there is light on it. And the headband feels nice. Also adjustable through these pieces here. That is it for now, guys. Thank you for being with me today, and I'll show you more of the HL16's features in a night test as well. Thanks for now. Have a good day.